What's going on, guys? Today we are installing 2006 HR headlights. For you that don't know, this is a 2003 Nissan 350Z, and 2003 to 2005 have headlights that look like this, and 06 and up have these HR updated HID headlights. So let's install them. So what we're gonna do for this is we're gonna be taking off the 6 top clips. This is a Nismo bumper, but it's the same as the 350. The stock base model one. And then there's also a 10 mil on each side. And then we have to take off the undershroud that has a lot of 10 mils too. So let's get to it. Now that we got everything off to take off the bumper and the Z1 undershroud, we're going to take off the 3 bolts on the headlight to remove and replace. Okay, so this headlight on the passenger side didn't have a bulb, and it's broken down here. So we took it from the other light. It fits the same, and you can see how loose it is by just wiggling it back and forth. So we're just gonna wrap it with electrical tape, and it'll hold for now. You always want to wrap the end of the electrical tape on itself, so you have a little flag right there, so then it's easy to take off. So now we can install it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment of what you guys want to see from us. We got tons of other content lined up for all these cars and other cars you haven't seen, so stay tuned for that. And we will be dropping shirts. We have shirts, hoodies, and some hats lined up. I've only worn the embroidered stuff, but we do have other designs, so stay tuned for that. They're extremely high quality. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.